Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I went to see the current situation of Lohu commercial city. Later I will go to Jinguang Plaza for a seafood buffet. Chaoshan beef rice noodle for breakfast. Because it is near the border, the price is not cheap. But the portion is huge. A small portion is enough for a normal man. In the early stage of customs clearance, many shops have not yet resumed the business. It has been more than half a year since customs clearance. 90% of stores have resumed the business. Ladies like to come here to get their fingernails and eyebrows done. There is massage for the blind here. Many ladies come here to buy dance shoes and clothes. The price is much cheaper than in Hong Kong. Most of the prices are less than $200. I'm not familiar with dance shoes, so I can't comment on their quality. Many people will give you cards, which is a specialty of this mall. They all sell fake brand name products such as watches and handbags. It's also a feature. Online data display. You can bring fresh hairy crabs back to Hong Kong. But not too many. Take the subway from Lohu to Guomao Station. You will arrive at Jinguang Plaza. Today I went to the 6th floor, Jushi Aquatic Products. The price is very affordable. There are many types of food, so many people line up. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's 4:17 now. Start entering at 4:30. Simple decoration, spacious. There will be no sense of oppression. Self-serve seafood. Instantly roasted foie gras. There are many types of cooked food. All you can eat crispy squab. Not many types of dim sum. Ginseng black chicken soup. Buddha jumps over the wall. Lots of choices for pre-dinner snacks. Many types of sushi to choose from. There are many types of sashimi. Sauce bar. Crayfish, mantis, shrimp, dongfang snail. I don't know if it's real shark intestines. Crispy taste, worth trying. Starfish. Many kinds of shellfish. There is actually crocodile meat. Turtle, also known as water fish in Hong Kong. The shrimps here are juicy and juicy, a must-eat. Relatively rare yellow bonefish. Artificially bred giant salamanders are legal to eat. Not everyone can accept pig brains. Crab is a must-eat. Sashimi is very fresh. Lots of crab paste. All in all, the price-performance ratio is very high. 239, a wide variety of food. Definitely worth trying. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and click the notification button. Never miss video updates. Thank you all.